Hey guys, in this video we picked the top 5 best baking pan on the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion, and we ranked them in no particular order after we did our research based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and more. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Nordic Ware 3-piece Baker's Delight Set. Nordic Ware makes the most durable sheet pans out there. Brittany Bennett, owner of Tartwork, says they'll make you feel like a professional in your home kitchen, and chef and television host Elena Besser says they're the closest brand to the industrial baking sheets she used in the kitchen at the beloved Brooklyn restaurant Lilia. I have owned 2 Nordic Ware half sheets and 1/4 sheet for nearly a decade and haven't needed to replace them yet. That's because, as Claire Saffitz, baker and author of Dessert Person, puts it, Nordic Ware sheet pans can really take a beating. While the surface color may change over time, especially with the use of acidic ingredients like vinegar and tomatoes, mine have definitely become a bit darker over the years. That doesn't affect the quality of cooking at all, which is still as even as ever. Nordic Ware notes that metal utensils may cause scrapes, but those are also merely cosmetic. I can attest to this too, as I use my fish spatula to scoop up roasted vegetables pretty consistently with no negative effect. Plus, a set of 2 sheet pans is only $20, so if you find yourself craving that new, shiny silver color after a while, you won't feel bad about replacing them. Number 2. Wilton Performance 8-inch Round Cake Pans. Are you the one the family calls when they need birthday cakes? Or maybe you want to try your hand at layer cakes? A durable set of round cake pans are essential to anybody who wants to bake cakes, and this set from Wilton is the gold standard. The aluminum construction yields even heat conductivity for uniform baking results, and the galvanized steel rims ensure no warping while baking. For cake, I prefer a classic aluminum pan, which bakes evenly, is easy to clean, and reliable, says Kanegi Lu. For pies, I like glass because you can see if the bottom is golden and crispy. As a baker who made wedding cakes, Wilton aluminum cake pans were my go-to for tiered creations. They produce reliable results with every bake. This set has a generous 2-inch depth, perfect for any cake recipe in your collection. And, though aluminum always releases without sticking, you can add a layer of security by lining your pans with parchment paper. Just unfurl the parchment, set your pan on top, and trace around the edge. Once cut, you have the perfectly sized insert to guarantee your cake slides right out. The 8-inch is affordable on its own or in a set and cleans up easily with a quick dip in a sink of warm, soapy water. Number 3. Fat Daddios Anodized Aluminum Round Cake Pan. Round cake pans are a requirement in any baker's collection because of their flexibility. They can be used to create birthday layer cakes, Italian ricotta cheesecakes, clafoutis, and more. This set is exceptionally well made of commercial-grade anodized aluminum that weigh less than steel pans. The aluminum pans heat quickly and evenly, allowing cakes to cook faster without drying out in the oven. The pans also cool faster, making them easier to handle when it's time to flip out your cake rounds to cool completely. This 3-piece set features a 3, 5, and 7-inch diameter pan, each with a height of 2 inches. Fat Daddios claims that this set is perfectly sized to accommodate 1 box's worth of cake batter. These pans should be hand-washed and are easy to clean, even if food sticks to the bottom or sides of the pan. During the baking process, if you do run the pans through the dishwasher, the anodized finish will oxidize from the extreme heat and chemicals of the machine wash, although the pans will still be usable. Pros: professional-grade pans. Convenient variety of sizes. Even heat distribution. 3, 5, and 7-inch diameter pan. Cons: aluminum finish oxidizes if machine washed. Number 4. Cuisinart 6-piece Classic Bakeware Set. With a straight edge, this pan allows you to make layered cakes and cheesecakes easily. The aluminized steel keeps the content being baked evenly and nicely, while the thick rolled edge prevents any warping during this process. It comes as a silver 9-inch round pan with a reasonable price for its quality. So I bought 2 of these for my baking hobby and plan to buy more as a gift for my friend. Thanks to Whitford's Island non-stick interior and exterior, it releases a cake perfectly with not a single crumb left on the pan. That means you don't need to do extra work of spraying oil or covering the base with parchment paper. Cuisinart Chef's classic non-stick bakeware is ideal for today's cooks. The full line is constructed of heavy-gauge aluminized steel to provide even heat distribution and consistent baking results. The non-stick interior and exterior ensure easy food release and cleanup, and extra thick rolled edges prevent warping. Pros: even heating without warping, simple to release, affordable price, dishwasher safe. Cons: it might get rust, so I suggest that you should dry it with a soft cloth after washing. Number 5. Chicago Metallic 2 Non-Stick 6-Piece Bakeware Set. This Chicago Metallic set can't be beat for its performance, ease of use and price. It earned perfect scores in our tests for performance and was just shy of a perfect score for ease of use since the pans lack handles. We love the sharp corners and straight sides that produce professional-looking cakes, brownies and bars. The only downside is that it includes just one round cake pan. We also tested the Chicago Metallic Professional Non-Stick 8-Piece Bakeware Set, which ranked just a smidge below the featured commercial set. In terms of performance, the only difference was that the cookies took a little longer to bake than the manufacturer's instructions. Believe it or not, Chicago Metallic Commercial 2 Non-Stick is one of my preferred options. This item is made of durable and sturdy aluminized steel, which appears heat-resistant and easy to distribute heat evenly when baking. That's why you can expect the perfect cooking results with brown bottoms and no burning. The professional set includes 8 pieces instead of 6, and comes with 2 half-sheet trays, 2 round cake pans and a rack, instead of square baking pan.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.